These vast fields of aloe vera thrive under the golden sunrise, a testament to nature's resilient beauty and sustainable bounty.
Behold the fresh, dewy leaves of the aloe vera plant, a symbol of nature's gentle healing.
With practiced hands, the farmers harvest the mature leaves. Each precise cut yields the plant's healing inner gel. Workers carefully select and pack fresh aloe vera leaves.
These are ready for shipping. Keep them coming.
A tractor hauls a fresh load of aloe vera across the sun-drenched fields.
For healthy aloe vera, plant in well-drained soil. It needs lots of sun and very little water.
In the harsh, sun-baked desert, these aloe plants thrive, their resilient leaves a testament to nature's enduring strength. Precision fields, this efficient system maximizes growth while conserving resources.
This one's thicker. Let's check it.
Okay, I'm measuring.
Good. Mark the base. It's uniform. A good one.
Observe the ultra-realistic texture of the aloe leaf surface, with its waxy foliage and intricate living details. Slicing the leaf reveals the clear, soothing gel inside. This natural extract is prized for its healing properties. On this sunlit farm, workers harvest aloe with practiced hands, embodying the timeless bond between people and the land. The golden light of sunset bathes the aloe fields in tranquility, a peaceful end to the day in nature's embrace. Observe the clear, viscous sap as it slowly oozes from the cut leaf, a natural and soothing substance. From the fields where our journey begins, to the factories that shape our world, every step connects us. A shipment of fresh aloe vera arrives at the processing plant, a key step in our sustainable supply chain. This state-of-the-art facility harnesses advanced technology to transform fresh aloe vera into pure, high-quality extracts, ensuring efficiency and excellence.
All right, let's get these leaves off the truck. Got it. They're heavy. Careful, don't bruise them.
Checking this leaf for freshness. The color is vibrant, the texture is firm and pliable. No wilting or browning. This batch passes inspection. Fresh aloe vera leaves move steadily along the conveyor belt in this modern factory. High-pressure washing effectively removes dirt and residue from aloe leaves. The powerful stream cleanses thoroughly, preparing them for use. The sorting process begins as damaged leaves are identified and removed. Aloe vera gel is a natural soothing substance to healing. It is inflammatory properties. Welcome to the state-of-the-art aloe vera factory, where advanced machinery transforms raw plants into pure, versatile gel at an impressive scale. In an aloe vera factory, water jets clean the leaves in slow motion, revealing their pure, natural essence.
Here, we ensure all surfaces are sterile before processing begins. A thorough check of the aloe vera gel for any impurities. Let's start the inspection.
Okay, this one looks good.
Proceeding to fillet.
Careful with the knife.
Welcome to the aloe vera factory. Welcome to our state-of-the-art aloe vera factory. Here, our advanced machinery process step ensures the highest quality and purity. In this state-of-the-art facility, fresh aloe vera, advanced technology ensures the highest quality aloe vera products. The machine precisely slices the aloe leaves. Ultra-realistic details showcase the mechanical efficiency. The knife glides through the skin, revealing the soothing gel inside. This slow peeling exposes the fresh, healing aloe. This is the pure, transparent essence of aloe. Observe the way it stretches and flows, a natural sensory experience. Observe the clear gel on this fresh leaf, slowly dripping in viscous strands. The droplet stretches and falls, revealing nature's intricate textures.
Process, transferring raw elements into pure, natural form.
Freshly harvested aloe vera leaves are manually filleted. This gentle process preserves the natural benefits for use in wellness products. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel. The gel is dispensed with precision into these its flow creates reflections on the container walls. Experience the pure, natural essence of aloe gel. Its translucent texture glides smoothly, hydrating and nourishing. Feel the cooling refreshment. Observe the realistic viscosity as the gel flows slowly, stretching and settling into the tank. The blades descend, making precise contact with the aloe leaf. A clean, efficient cut. Observe the precise handling of this transparent gel. Its clarity and smooth consistency are ideal for clinical use. Aloe vera gel is extracted from fresh leaves through a smooth as a high-quality, pure gel ready for use.
We're extracting the pure aloe vera gel.
This machine presses the leaf to release it into a clean container. First, use a scalpel to precisely cut around the DNA band in the gel. Then carefully aspirate the slice with a pipette to isolate the DNA. Let's slice open this fresh aloe vera leaf. Listen to that crisp, satisfying cut. The gel is revealed. Inside this industrial steel pipeline, clear aloe gel process ensures purity and consistency for the final product. The sample is fully loaded. The separation is now commencing as the molecules begin their tuning to the next stage, elution. The aloe leaves move at high speed along the conveyor. Here, industrial rollers crush the leaves. The pure gel is filtered and collected. Starting the viscosity test on the aloe gel sample, adding 1 drop now, observing the flow rate. These beakers contain a pure aloe extract, known for its soothing and hydrating qualities.
The chamber is sealed, initiating sterilization sequence. Cycle active, monitoring temperature and pressure.
The aloe juice is heated in this stainless steel tank to eliminate bacteria.
Steam is the process of quality product.
In these large tanks, the aloe gel is blended to perfection. The result is a pure, high-quality product. Applying the sample to pH strip now. The color indicates a pH of approximately 7.2.
System online, pressure stabilizing, activating core protocols, override confirmed, flow optimized.
Raw liquids enter the machine, where high pressure forces them through a narrow valve, breakicles. The result, a uniform, stable emulsion.
We'll test this metal sample's durability, inserting it into the machine, starting the test now.
Let's see the cellular structure. The vascular bundles are very clear.
Insert the sample to begin analysis. Processing. Results confirm high purity. This certification paperwork confirms the product meets all quality standards. I am signing to verify its authenticity and compliance. The system is actively monitoring temperatures in real time. Current reading is 22.5 degrees, with the graph updating live.
In our sterile environment, precision is everything. Our advanced equipment ensures revolutionizing our research.
Opening the sterile kit. Gently inserting the swab. Sealing the sample. The sample carousel rotates, positioning the vial for analysis. The robotic arm aspirates the sample with precision. Complete. Analysis begins.
Hand washing station is fully stocked and accessible, and the cleaning log is up to date. Excellent. Before we start, confirm the lockout. Confirmed. The tag is in place. Good. We can proceed. Understood.
The document receives final lab approval. The official stamp is applied, confirming compliance. Approval is verified. The machine's pistons activate, dispensing cream into the jars with precision. Precision automation fills each bottle with pure aloe. Capping and labeling proceed with flawless efficiency. The result, premium shampoo ready for market.
Watch the thick, white cream pour slowly into the clear jar, its rich texture glistening as it fills the glass.
The automatic labeling machine precisely applies labels to products on the high-speed conveyor. This ensures consistent quality and efficiency in the production process. This automated line fills PET bottles with pure aloe juice. Precision nozzles dispense the liquid, then a cap is sealed. This capping machine seals bottles with precision. Each cap is applied securely and efficiently.
Okay, packing the 200 ml bottles now.
Got it. Here's the next one.
Double check the seals. Quality first. All set. Let's pack these aloe bottles.
Okay, placing them in now.
Good. Seal it tight.
Precision automation, redefining industrial efficiency. Every placement, a flawless execution.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art warehouse, where our finished aloe products are stored and ready for shipment worldwide.
Approaching the stack now. Move to stage area. Pallet placed, ready for the next.
Container secure, lifting now. Steady as she goes. Container down, locks released.
Experience the pure soothing power of aloe vera with Aloe Vera, 100% natural and dermatologist approved for radiant skin. Pour the aloe soap slowly and steadily into each mold. The natural aloe will create a soothing, moisturizing bar. Experience captured in these luxurious soap bars. Watch as the knife glides through, revealing their smooth, nourishing texture. This premium bar of soap is now being branded with the Lux Soap logo. The stamp presses firmly to create a clear, lasting impression.
Final inspection. Let's check the tolerances. Surface finish is excellent. Batch approved. Log it.
Align the scanner with the barcode. The laser reads the code. Scan successful. From the farm to the factory, witness the creation of pure aloe vera gel processed with precision. The result is a high-quality natural product.
From the Aloe Vera Gel factory, our products head out to the world.
Behold the fresh aloe vera leaf. In our factory, it's transformed into pure gel, the final product, versatile and natural. In this state-of-the-art factory, freshing and cutting machines prepare the plants for extraction. Here, the pure gel is filtered and collected. Welcome to the Aloe Vera Gel factory. Listen to the satisfying sounds of pure aloe gel being squeezed. Pure aloe vera gel, fresh from our factory, soothes and hydrates your skin. On the farm, aloe vera is carefully harvested. In the factory, the leaves are processed into pure aloe vera gel.
Welcome to the Pure Aloe factory.
where nature's essence, powered and bottled pure aloe gel with incredible speed and precision. This is the extraction machine at the Aloe Vera gel factory. It slices and presses the leaves to extract the pure healing gel.
Welcome to the Aloe Vera Gel Factory. Here is our finished product display, where every bottle represents our commitment to purity and quality.
We make aloe vera gel here in this factory. It's tough, but we ensure quality.
From farm to global market, aloe vera jelly delivers nature's purity. Our factory ensures trusted worldwide for wellness.